Hips up. Hips to him.
Hard into him, Heath. Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
Watch your weight. Watch your weight.
Back over on his back.
Come on, gotta move. You're out. You're out. Face him.
There you go.
Come on, don't look sloppy now. Stand up. Up, up.
Up, Ethan, stand up.
Gotta move. Don't reach back.
Drive it, drive it. There you go, there you go. Walk over.
Step over, step over. Work up. 2. 4 to 2. 6 to us. Keep that leg.
Control, control.
Break him down.
Stay back on him. Oh, no. Come on, Heath.
6-3.
It's all right. You get it back.
You see, I know you see that moment.
On the whistle, break him down. Could be 6-3. Can't get to it. On the whistle, break him down, Heath.
Stay back on him, Ethan.
Come on. How many years you been wrestling? All right, buddy, come on.
Nerves, Wayne.
I know.
Keep control, Heath. Keep control. Do what you want with him.
He's
Stay
reaching back.
Stay back.
Half. Throw it.
There you go. Stay back on him. Control it.
Got to break him down.
Careful, careful. Stay back.
Keep going. You got it.
Just control.
Keep the tight waist. Keep the tight waist.
Guy bottom slowing.
6-3 us. Good job. Good job.
Wrestle
Good job.
smart.
You're bleeding?
Who's bleeding? Will you?
Us, I think. Ethan.
What's causing that?
They got scraped with a fingernail, or who knows? Yeah, it is. Yeah. He put a tampon in his nose. Wrestle tough, buddy.
Come on, he can't hold you. He's not good enough to hold you.
6-3, first start of the second. Watch it. Go again.
Go, go, go.
Up, up, up. There you go. Switch.
Hard on.
Go hard.
Get on in. Bring it on up.
Step over. Step over. Keep walking to him. Good job. 8-3. Watch it. 8-3.
Pull it up. Pull that arm up. Reach under. Pull the arm up. Reach under. Pull that arm up.
There. Cross face.
Hard on it. There you go. Keep control, bud. Stay back.
He's reaching back. Oh, half. Half. He reaches back, throw a half in on him. Eight to 3. 50 seconds to go. Breaking back down, good job. He reaches back. There you go.
Easy, easy.
Keep walking around, walk it.
Walk it, walk it.
He's flat, he's pinned.
Come on.
Yeah! Woo! Good job, Bowen. Good job. Glad he won his first one. That'll give him a little confidence.
How to make it feel better.